get a sticker for bringing their homework back.
Well, if it's practice, then this would be another great grade for the grade book, right?
No, we don't grade. It's practice.
But if it's practice, they should know it, so I should be able to grade it.
No. Do you grade a football player for constantly kicking the ball at the goal over and over again? Do you grade somebody who's an orchestra violinist for practicing and practicing until they get those notes just perfectly in tune and correct rhythm? No, it's practice. The idea is that they are practicing these skills so when their game day comes, whether it's a test, a quiz, or knowing how to do your addition and subtraction to be able to do a fraction problem, that's when it counts. That's when you grade it. It's practice for your big game day chance.
Which is whenever you need to use that skill independently.
Exactly. And I'm not saying don't give them credit for doing homework. You can just check it off or not check it off. I just had a class list and I'd put a check next to their name if they did their homework, or I'd circle it if they didn't. The whole thing is it's practice. Would that count? Yes. I did look at my homework sheets at the end of the marking period, and I'm going to tell you, if it was, we had E, S, and U's for grades, and I'm going to tell you, if this kid was on the border of getting an E, I'd look at those homework sheets, and if they did their homework all marking period, they got an E. So instead of the S.
The E was excellent, the S was satisfactory, and
the U was unsatisfactory.
Got you. Okay, so